guys, in this video you are going to discuss we are going to discuss what are the maintenance routine in the alternator. So this is our main generator and this is the alternator. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss what are the maintenance routine in the alternator. You can see with before doing any maintenance on the alternator, you have to make sure that your alternator, your generator in the off condition. Okay, so you have to switch off the air supply, switch off the fuel supply. Okay, and put generator in the blocking condition. You can see here blocking condition. Okay, I already put in the blocking condition. So accidentally your generator will not start. Now while opening you can check visual inspection on your CTs, any deterioration, CTs are burnout, these are the CTs, these are also power CTs. You can check the cable connection, any damage. Okay. So you can clean the winding by using this small portable blower also. You can see, but make sure that your portable blower nozzle is not metal. You can see this is a rubber nozzle. Okay, why rubber? Why not metal? If you use the metal, your residual magnetism will be lost. Okay. So after that you can change this filter. You see this filter you need to clean out. We already take out. You have to change this filter, or you can clean the filter. After that, this is the pedestal bearing oil. So you have to change the oil. You can see lubrication for this pedestal bearing oil. You can change this pedestal bearing oil. Drain the oil from down and fill the oil from here. Okay. Check all cable connection are in good condition. So no any deterioration on your stator and rotor. Check the rectifier diodes are on. Okay. Okay, these are the rectifier diodes. You can check like this. Okay. Check the winding, all good condition, clean. Check the connection inside. Okay, these are the normal and general maintenance you have to do in the